Welcome back to the layout. In the last video, I talked about how I was having some weird electrical issues with my locomotive, kind of stalling out on some of the turnouts and just stuttering in general. The lights were flashing in random spots, just showing that there was an electrical fault or that the locomotive was not receiving power. I just wanted to update that and say that I think I figured out the problem. So I think the problem is right here. So she likes to sit on the layout table when I'm not home, as I've discovered by watching some of my security cameras. And I think that we were getting a lot of cat hair that was getting stuck up underneath the wheels. So essentially, I went and I took the trucks off. Maybe I'll make a separate video if people are interested, but the trucks are pretty simple to take off. You just pull them straight down. You don't have to take the shell off or anything. It feels like you're going to break it at first, but that's how you do it. So you just pull that down, and then once you get those off, you flip them around the other way so that they're right side up, and then you can pry off. You just kind of pry off the side plastic thing. It's one piece, but you like pry it off from the edges, and then the whole wheels come out. You can kind of see, it's kind of hard to see the angle, but there's a little like copper strip right in there that connects all of the wheels, all of the pointed ends of the axles together, and that is where that it's receiving the power. That's where the electricity from the track is going into the wheels, and it's going into that copper thing there. There was a lot of hair in a couple of those little areas where the pointed axle is connected to that copper like strip. So I took those off and I cleaned those all out. So once I cleaned those wheels out, I think that seemed to solve the problem. I was having an issue on this turnout over here at slow speeds. You may saw in my last video. So let's just do that same thing. We're running it pretty slow. Right here's the turnout. And last time it stalled pretty much right when the rear truck was over the frog and the front truck was ahead. So you can see it went right through it, no stuttering at all. So let me just reverse it back up and explain what I think was going on. This is roughly where the locomotive stalled out at. So in this position, the two rear axles are on the frog. You can see the frog is the shinier part. And that's unpowered, so that's expected that there's no electricity going to be going into that copper strip through the two rear axles. However, it should still be going in through the front one, and also this one as well. But if there was enough hair trapped up there in that little pin, where the point is connected to that copper strip, then the electricity may not have been going into the copper strip from the wheel. So in that case, in that situation, the entire truck would be unpowered, and same for the front. So I think that is what the issue was, because the locomotive seems to be running smoothly now. Hopefully it stays that way, and hopefully I don't have to clean it out too often. But let's just run it around real quick. I will pull it up here. Throw the switch, and let's back it onto the inner main line loop. Alright, so now we're on the inner main line. Let's throw that switch back to straight. So let's watch it go over there. It went over that turnout just fine. And then let's watch it go over these turnouts in the back. If you remember in the last video, if you watched it, the lights would flicker as it went over, which indicated that it had momentary loss of power. Now you see that? It didn't flicker at all. No stuttering. Same thing up here. Let's watch this turnout. No flickering there either. And what's even better is that on this turnout, I went ahead and disconnected the frog wire. You can see, all right, it's a mess. But right here, this was the frog wire. So I went ahead and just disconnected it from the terminal here. And the train still went over that just fine. So that's really encouraging that that's all the issue was. Hopefully it was just dirty contacts in the wheels. And it was a pretty simple fix. So pretty happy about that. So we just got to keep this guy off the layout. All right, thanks a lot for watching. See you later.